Earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals with online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. Consider reputation, number of surveys available, and payout methods when selecting survey sites. Maximize earnings by completing profiles, taking advantage of free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Best practices include creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Watch out for warning signs of potentially illegitimate survey sites like membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Surveys for money are legitimate and typically take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites offer cash instantly or provide signing bonus points. Companies pay individuals to take surveys to gather market research and consumer feedback. Start earning today.